guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids here, and today in this video I actually got a PS4 Pro, and I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you what's inside of the PS4 Pro and what you get with it. So yeah, let's get on into this box. So I already cut it just to make the video a little faster, and this is the Call of Duty Infinite War edition, I believe, or I'm not sure. It just pops off like that. Then goes like that. Then the blue cover comes off. Then the white box, the PS4 Pro box. I love the whiteness of the box. Pull out that tab, and I think we're good. And we go up. This is my first time seeing a PS4. I've never really seen a PS4 before. Or I've seen it, but I just haven't had one. I don't have one, so I've got a little manual, quick start guide. This cardboard comes off. Let's open up these sides. So these are just like cables in this little side here. Yeah, some more cables. Ooh, that comes off. Oh, there's the controller. Nice black controller. Some more cables, and I believe this is a little mini earpiece thing they came with. That's actually pretty cool. Now if we open the other side. Sorry guys, again, that I've been not posting for a little while. Been busy with school and stuff. So here's the PS4 Pro. Let's just open this. There it is. Seeing if there's anything else. There's a little manual in here. Best place to play. The book. And yeah, so I got MLB The Show 18. And yeah, that is what I'm probably going to be playing for the for my YouTube channel. So just stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, I'm very happy that I got this. And 1 second. There, just so it looks a little nice. So take this off. Ooh, that just looks nice. Brand new PlayStation. That's what it looks like, guys. Got the black. So yeah, that is actually very cool. Sony. This is not sponsored by anyone. Just saying. Just so you guys know. And I am going to be doing a, I don't know, should I do MLB The Show 18 gameplay? If you want me to, let me know in the comments. So there's the controller, joysticks, got X, square, triangle, and circle button, up, down, share, options. It's a nice controller. I've normally been with Xbox, so it's a big step up. And we just got some cords to plug into this console. Yeah, so cords. Sorry about that, guys. A call came in, so I had to take that. So anyways, so yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. Here is a little, I believe it's a, yeah, it's just a little earpiece, PlayStation. Could have made it a little nicer, but I guess that's just what comes with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, next time you see me with the PlayStation is probably going to be the MLB The Show 18. And let me know any other games that you want me to play, but I'm pretty much going to be just playing MLB The Show 18 just for, you know, a lot of cool stuff. If you guys, I know there's Share Factory, which I'm going to be doing. If there's any other tips you give me, let me know. See you guys in my next video. Sorry for the long thing that I was kind of absent on YouTube. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Good job.